Welcome to your Gaggenau oven. Driven by the principles of the professional kitchen and inspired by the needs of the private chef, it confidently sets the tone of the kitchen. It's the oven that creates circulated temperature using a unique universal heating system, allowing you to bake, broil, roast, proof, and defrost. Everything is controlled by two simple selectors. The left controls the function, while the right controls temperature, time, and settings. Use the function selector to access 3 types of heating modes to individualize the preferred method for any type of dish or preparation. Convection modes for even heat distribution for a variety of items and multi-level baking. Non-convection modes for a more delicate bake and finishing options. And specialty modes for unique dish preparations, dough proofing, and accessories like the baking stone and roaster. Some modes can easily be combined for a perfect result. Pull the door open with its integrated handle or touch to open automatically. Set your time with 4 options: timer, which counts down the remaining time for existing recipes; stopwatch, which counts up for creating new recipes; cooking time, which switches off the oven when the programmed time has elapsed; cooking time end, which switches on the oven for perfect meal timing. Remember your core temperature probe. It can be used with multiple program options and is accurate within 1 degree. Eliminate the need to use a cooktop by using the roasting accessory, enjoying the freedom to prepare and bake directly in the oven. Create, modify, and save your own programs. Select the chef's hat and then select the next available custom program. Name your program. Save up to 50 custom recipes. There are also a variety of international pre-programmed recipes that can be enjoyed and modified to your own taste. Enjoy complete control while watching your dish's progress through the well-lit and crystal-clear viewing window, enabling function and temperature adjustments without the need to ever open the door. Cleaning is easy with no need for oven cleaners. The racks and trays can be removed and washed. Activate the pyrolytic self-cleaning system, a process that takes 4 hours. It can be done often due in part to our signature enamel. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. It also includes tips on cleaning and care, as well as a large selection of recipes. The 400 series oven, the difference is Gaggenau.